Good morning, everyone. Peter Lebe is my name. I work with the Calabria unit as International Trials Manager. I'm in charge of all our trials within and outside the country. And then I also manage our germplasm dissemination and conservation in the Calabria unit. So that is what I do in EiB-IITA. I'm based here in Ibadan. Yeah.
Okay, welcome. So what do you see in this picture? What does it tell you?
Well, the picture there tells me, like I have a friend of mine who is coming into the office, and then you have a lot of things on the table and just coming to the standing by the door, maybe closes the immunity he entered. So that's what I see in the picture there.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's one way to put it. Oh.
Good morning. I am Babu Karmane. I am the irrigated lowland rice breeder for Africa Rice, also acting as an interim program leader for our breeding activities. I am based in St. Louis in Senegal. So what do I see in the picture here? Well, I see a gentleman standing by the door, very relaxed. Seems like he's just closing the door. I don't know whether he wants to block somebody from entering. I don't know.
Well, yeah, but yeah. If you want to see, it says on the door, strictly out of bounds. So beyond that, you're in a class. Okay, so okay. Almost, okay.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I am Nohun Belko from Africa Rice, working in Cote d'Ivoire. I'm a plant phenotyping specialist, and at Africa Rice, I do work with breeders to help them phenotype crops for different abiotic stresses using aerial images and drones. So yeah, I'm seeing the same. The gentleman holding a door. I don't know if he will be able to enter despite what is written there.
Okay, but he looks happy, no?
Very happy.
Very happy, yeah. No, we have to admit that. Alec? We'll jump to Vinicius at the end. He came in late.
Hi, good morning. My name is Alec Mlenga, and I'm the head of farm management and breeding operations within EiB-IITA based here in Ibadan. I've been here for just over 1 year. So what do I see there? I see a very happy, content gentleman. I see a lot of paperwork there. I don't know if it's relevant. There is a contradiction there where it says strictly out of bounds, and he's making a motion to enter. So I don't know what's going on there. We'll see.
Okay, my name is Lenin Msundire, breeding optimization specialist working under EIB based in Nairobi. I work with national programs in terms of optimizing their operations and also just improving the efficiency. What I see there is a happy soul, but I'm not so sure why he's still holding on to the door handle when it's returned strictly out of bounds. A lot of paperwork. Probably there's need also to work on that. It's not the day and age for such loads and loads of paperwork. So that's what I see there.
Okay.
Good morning. I am Udo Trognitz of EIB. I am located here at EiB-IITA Ibadan. I work for the modernization of the breeding programs in West Africa, in interaction with the NAS. And what I see there is a very satisfied gentleman who has made peace with everything in his life. He is certainly a happy wife and many children. And he is going to show the photographer something where the photographer might be in a moment either excited about like him or surprised. So let's see. Thanks.
Yeah, direct to the point, please.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nana Kofi Abakamwa. I'm a molecular breeder at Africa Rice. I also oversee digitalized data capture using PhenoApps and other modern tools. I see a gentleman trying to access a door that says out of bounds. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
My name is Francis Adunwoye. I am a farm superintendent operating from EiB-IITA One. One is in Rivers State in Nigeria, the high rainforest station. What do I see in the photograph? Okay, I am under Mr. Ali as a farm superintendent. Now, what do I see? I see a well-fed man that is posing for photograph because his eyes are on the camera. And if that is a narrow passage, it's clogging the way. It's not allowing people to pass. And I cannot see the sign properly written at the doorway. Work to be done, but he's smiling. He's a happy man for whatever reason. I don't know. Different strokes for different folks.
Different folks, yeah.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
I am Ogungbe Alex Adebayo. I work with EiB-IITA Kano Station under supervision of Mr. Ali. There in Kano, we have 2 farms, one in Mejibi, another one in Zaria. So, on the picture over me, I can see a gentleman try to come into his office. No, he's laughing, but he's not happy because he has a lot of work to do. And on the wall, you can see him, please, out of band. That is to say, he doesn't want anybody to disturb him.
You seem to be suffering from the same problem, huh?
Yeah, good morning. My name is Adebayo Oluwaseun Gabriel. Okay, I'm part of the farm management team. I work in EiB-IITA Abuja Station. I coordinate farm activities there. So what I'm saying right now is the guy that is smiling, but faking the smile, obviously, because there are a lot of paperwork to attend to. So that's what I can say on the screen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is EiB-IITA, farm manager based in Ibadan here. Yeah, what I'm seeing, the gentleman study is so happy. It's like he's trying to go into his Oga's office, that is his boss office. He has a good information. Probably there is something good that he's trying to pass to his Oga. And that is why he's trying to go in. It's part of out of band. And it's like he's a secretary. And of course, he's trying to let his boss to know the good news. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Tale Gift. I'm a farm supervisor from EiB-IITA Zambia. What I see in the picture there is a man that's smiling, standing to the out of bounds sign there. Maybe probably he's smiling because finally he's been allowed to enter the out of bounds office. Thank you.
My name is Abeng John. I'm farm superintendent under Mr. Wilson. And what I see in the picture there, then I'm just wondering why he's holding the door and the letter behind him says out of bounds, yet he's smiling. So I didn't know what is it up for.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
My name is Olushola Teresa. I work as a research supervisor here in Ibadan under the supervision of Dr. Ameli. Okay, in the picture here, obviously,